हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो स्टूडेंट्स आज मैं आपके सामने लेके आया हूँ प्रैक्टिकल ऑफ मीटर ब्रिज। तो ये मीटर ब्रिज है जिसकी जो वायर होती है, ये वाली वायर दैट इज़ अबाउट 100 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज़ 1 मीटर। तो हमने क्या क्या यूज़ करना है, दिस इज़ अ बैटरी रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स। सो हमारे पास जो रेजिस्टेंस है वो है हमारे पास 1000 ओम्स तक की। सो द रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स में क्या होता है कि सारी रेजिस्टेंस इन सीरीज़ होती हैं। कोई भी की हम इसमें से बाहर निकालेंगे तो वो रेजिस्टेंस सर्किट में ऐड हो जाएगी, ठीक है। तो ये हमारे पास है ए, ये हमारे पास है बी। दिस इज़ अ गैल्वेनोमीटर। वन एंड ऑफ द गैल्वेनोमीटर इज अटैच्ड टू दिस पॉइंट एंड अनदर इज अटैच्ड टू द स्लाइडिंग कॉन्टैक्ट, दैट इज द जॉकी, एंड दिस इज द अननोन रेजिस्टेंस। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई हैव एडेड 2 ohms ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस हियर। जब हम 2 ohm यहाँ पे ऐड कर दिया है तो मेरी रीडिंग 2 ohm के नियर अबाउट आएगी, ओके। So according to this circuit diagram, I have connected all the components, that is the resistance box, unknown resistance that is 2 ohms, this is point A, this is B, and where I have connected galvanometer is B, this is B, this is point A and this is point B, sorry, this is point C. So the total length of the wire is 100 centimeter. We will slide the jockey, that we will get L, where the bridge gets balance, and the remaining is 100 minus L, okay. So first of all, after connecting the whole circuit, we will test that the circuit is correct or not. First we will switch on the battery eliminator. I have connected it to 2 volts. So first I have to place the jockey at the point A. At point A, when I place the jockey at point A, the galvanometer will give reading on the left side, and if at point B, the galvanometer should give reading at the right side, like this. So at point A, the galvanometer should give reading at the left side. At point B, the galvanometer should give reading at the right side. Now let us draw the observation table. So students, this is the observation table. I will be connecting one of the resistance here. If I take out the resistance of 1 ohm from here, like this, so I will write 1 ohm in the first box, that is resistance. So after sliding, we will get the null point, and the null point is subtracted by 100. Then we will use this formula, x is equals to r 100 minus L upon L, okay. So let us start. So students, first I take out the resistance of 5 ohms, means I remove the key of 5 ohms here. This is 5 ohms, 5 ohms, okay. Now I will slide the jockey and you will see the null point. The null point will be on the galvanometer, where the galvanometer gives 0 reading. See, see here, so at this point the galvanometer is showing 0 reading. So the jockey is at 78 centimeter, that is L. I will write here 78 centimeter, okay. Now I will subtract 78 from 100 here, that is 100 minus 78. So this calculation we will do afterwards. Again, after I will take out 10 ohms. This is 10 ohms. So I will write here 10 ohms. Again I will slide the jockey from 78 centimeter. This is 78. Now you will see after 78, where will the null point be obtained? Now the null point is at 87 centimeter. So at 10 ohms we are having 87 centimeter. Now here 100 minus 87. Okay. Further we will take out 15 ohms. 15 means 10. We are not having 15 ohms here. That is 10 plus 5. That is 15. Okay. Again I will slide the jockey. The first reading was at 87. Now I will slide after 87. The galvanometer shows 0 reading, means we are at 90.4 centimeter. That is at 15 ohms we are at 90.4 centimeters. That is 100 minus 90.4. Okay, further I will go for 20 ohms. Students, here it is written 20 ohm. So I will insert the 5 ohm and 10 ohm and I will take out the 20 ohm key. Now I will go further. The first reading was 90. So I will slide after 90. This is 90. You have to see the galvanometer also. I am sliding the key and the galvanometer is at 0 now. So this is 92. So at 20 ohms we are getting 92 centimeter. That is 100 minus 92. Okay. So the last reading we will be getting at 20 plus 5. That is 25 centimeter. Sorry, 25 ohms. 25 ohms. The last reading was 92. After 92 I will see the null point. After 92 the galvanometer is showing this reading. I am now sliding the jockey. The reading is at 94. Sorry, 93.8. 0 at 93.8. That is 93.8 centimeter. Okay. So here it is 100 minus 98.3. So students, I am calculating the first value, that is serial number 1. Here we are having R is equals to 5 ohms into 100 minus L means 100 minus 78 by L. What is L? 78. So we are getting 5 into, we are getting 100 minus 78 means 22 by 78. So we are getting, after calculating, we are getting 1.41 ohms. Okay. So similarly we have to calculate the 5 values, that is serial number 1 to 5. Students, I have calculated all the 5 values and now I have to take the mean of all these values. Students, the mean is 1.74. Okay. So by this method we can calculate the unknown resistance X. So the next practical is to find the resistivity. So in order to find the resistivity we will apply rho is equals to RA upon L. So in the next video I will be explaining the how to find the resistivity of the material. Okay. Now we have find the resistance of the material. Okay. Thank you.